Hello and welcome. You join me at spot one on my local river. This is what I've been pre-baiting for the last 2 weeks, I think. 3 weeks maybe. Yeah, I'm literally just about to cast out. So, first time casting 10 years. I reckon if I go over there, sorry, that's your Well then, bear with me, it's been a few years since I did anything like this, so I'm very, very rusty. Yep. I think I'm fishing. That's got a carp rig on it, snowman setup, so I'm not don't think that's going to go anywhere. I've now just got to set up my feeder rod, get it over there somewhere. Right, wicked. I will run you through all the gear eventually. It's nothing, the carp stuff's alright, but yeah, the rest of it's cobbled together. I mean, I'll show you my landing net. It's a 15 quid jobby off of Amazon. So I've got a 40-inch landing net, but God knows where the pole went for it. So got to buy a new pole for it. So yeah, right, I'm gonna get cracking on with this, and then I'll bring you back. Cast number 2, guys. It's in there. Here's the leak. Once again. Yeah, guys. Typical reason we called hillbilly. River fishing. Got all the stuff for the carps. I just ain't got another rod rest, so I knew there was broke fallen trees here, and so we had to find one. Right, we're in. Let's get this tidied up a bit. Sort the swim up. No, I'm not watching that yet. Sun's just gone in, so hopefully the disturbance will put them all off for now. That was definitely a pickup because the bobbin moved. bobbin moved on that one. So that was, I'm thinking that was definitely a pickup on that one. Switch down there. What do you reckon, guys? Flat cap, head mount camera. You can pulling it off. Yeah, so it's like I say, just fishing the carp setup on that one, drop off lead. I'll put a picture up here of the rig. And then this one is just a flat feeder. You put the ground bait on top, and you pop up in the middle of it. Slung that over, hoping to get further out, but it didn't go well. But we're still fishing. But yeah, on this rod, I think the feeder rod, Dunlop Sport 11-foot twin tip. Like I say, I got given it from a mate at work. I never quiver tipped really when I used to fish. Yeah, it's got an old Browning reel on it. It's got about £8 line. That one's a 10-foot Dowel Black Widow carp rod, and it's got a Sonic Vader X spod reel on it. That's the setup. Now we've got a Nash Siren bite line. Jog on. I hope you can hear that, it's thundering. A lot of trees around me. 50 minutes. Come on, little fishies. Like I say, guys, I'm not after anything specific. I'm not, you know, I've got the carp stuff set up. I'm more hope than anything else. Don't know if there is any in this stretch. I haven't spoke to anybody that fishes this stretch. Don't know anybody that fishes it. So I'm not sure. That's just, like I said, wishful thinking rod really. But yeah, I was hoping to catch on the feeder, but I'm thinking I might have overdone it last night with the bait. So lesson learned. I wasn't chucking so much in the day before. But yeah, just can't wait to get down here again. But there's still time left. 20 to 2 now, so the latest I can leave here is 1:30. So yeah, I think some thunderstorms past now. It's quite warm now. I'm tempted to think, I've got 3 of them, Daiwa, Black Widow. So I'm tempted to, instead of bringing that rod, another one of them, with that reel on it, and then use it as float fishing, buy a float and some small hooks. Because there's loads and loads of little fish. No, what I'll do is I'll fish that one first with this setup and see how we get on over there, and then we're probably going to go from there, I think, because I'm hoping that will be my main spot, because obviously this isn't turning out to be the best. I'm not going to give up with it, I'm still going to chuck bait in here, but that's going to be my main one over there, I think. The basin, I'm going to call it. Yeah, call it the basin. I'm tempted to call this one the stock pond, because there are hundreds of little fish in here. Hundreds. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Focus on that spot. Yeah, focus on that spot, make it number 1. And then, imagine that's a pretty big swirl over there. I just hope I catch fish on that spot and it's not like this. But like I said, I don't know anyone who still fishes it. I've done a little bit of digging about day tickets, so you can just turn up here and fish. From what I know, that's all I've been doing. I've still got to get to the tackle shop in Stratford first. But I just had a few hours spare. From what the club says on Facebook, it is day tickets. I've got the missus to do digging. I ain't on Facebook. Decent sized bubbling going on over there. And that's definitely bubbling. Don't worry. Next thing on my shopping list is small hooks and some polarized glasses. Definitely need some of them. Just in a little, I think it was a little green, jump out over there. Or turn over there. I think it was green, I don't know. And over there as well. So I'm definitely at some point going to hit this swim with maggots and a float. Definitely. I haven't got a keep net. I don't own one. But I reckon we'll be able to have a good day on the old maggot on this. Because they're literally topping everywhere. Everywhere. And I have got no floats and nothing. If I had one, I'd whack one. I ain't got small hooks anyway. Fishing. Well, there we go, guys. On the way back to the car now, across the field. All packed up. We blanked. Never mind. We'll do it again. Once again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.